go ahead.
Hey, Dr. Patel, what do you have coming up here?
So we got a meniscus repair on a young guy. He's 26. He has a radial tear of his lateral meniscus. So if the meniscus is C-shaped, he basically has a tear, a cut in the meniscus that way. So our plan is to go in, evaluate the meniscus, and repair it. So when we talk about repair, we're talking about putting stitches in the meniscus. Sometimes people are mistaken and think of repair means to clean up. Although we are sort of addressing the problem with a meniscectomy or cleanup procedure, we're not preserving the meniscus. With a repair, we're actually putting stitches in the meniscus to preserve it. The goal of that is to provide long-term cushioning to the knee, help prevent arthritis. Now, the downside of that is typically for the first few weeks after repair, we do have to protect the repair, and so we will keep patients on crutches anywhere from 2 to 6 weeks, put them in a brace and restrict some motion. So typically things like driving and weight bearing are restricted after a true meniscus repair in which we're putting stitches in the meniscus.